In this video, 10 SEO tips to skyrocket your views, I will reveal my top 10 SEO YouTube tips for search engine optimization of your channel and videos. Optimizing your SEO YouTube channel and videos for SEO involves strategically using YouTube keyword research, engaging thumbnails, and compelling titles to ensure your content will get more YouTube views and ultimately increase its discoverability. By consistently implementing these SEO YouTube video optimization practices, you can enhance your video search engine optimization and attract a larger and more engaged audience to your channel. Hi, my name is Dwayne from TubeMoney, where I cover the best ways to make money online. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making videos like this one. Here are my top 10 tips to teach you how to optimize YouTube video SEO effectively. And be sure to watch until the very end of this video, where I will share an important bonus tip that you don't want to miss. So let's get into the video. Tip number 1, keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, YouTube's auto-suggest feature, or third-party tools like vidIQ to find relevant keywords and phrases related to your video content. Tip number 2, title optimization. Create compelling and descriptive video titles that incorporate your target keywords. Keep titles concise, around 60 characters, to ensure they display fully in search results. Tip number 3, engaging thumbnails. Design eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that pique viewers' curiosity and accurately represent your video content. Tip number 4, video description. Write a detailed video description, at least 250 words, that includes your main keywords. Include links to your website or social media profiles. Use timestamps to help viewers navigate through your video. Tip number 5, tags and metadata. Add relevant tags to your video that reflect the content and keywords. Include variations and long-tail keywords. Use YouTube's auto-suggest feature for tag ideas. Tip number 6, closed captions. Add accurate and high-quality closed captions to your videos. This can improve accessibility and help with SEO, as YouTube can index the text. Tip number 7, engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe in your video and description. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to increase video interaction. Tip number 8, video quality and length. Upload high-quality videos with clear audio and visuals. Aim for a video length that matches your content, longer for in-depth tutorials, shorter for quick tips. Tip number 9, promote on social media. Share your videos on your social media profiles to increase visibility and engagement. Utilize relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Tip number 10, analytics and optimization. Regularly review YouTube analytics to understand your audience's behavior. Use the data to refine your content strategy, focusing on what works and improving what doesn't. And now, here is your bonus tip: consistency matters. Publish videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and encourage them to return for more content. Remember that YouTube SEO takes time to yield results, so be patient and stay committed to providing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Over time, your efforts should lead you to get more YouTube views and a growing subscriber base. I hope you have gotten a lot of value from this video, 10 SEO tips to skyrocket your views. If you have any comments or questions, please leave your comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.